Alright guys, we're doing a special Valentine's Day edition of Crystal Lake Customs, and for this one, it's going to be a Valentine's Day gift, a Valentine hockey mask. Let's check it out, see what I can do real quick.
Alone, crying out loud. All of my pain and all of my hate can never compare to the size of your golden gate. Under my feet opens a big hole, swallow up my ill-gotten soul. Down hoping that it's not too late to save me from the torture that awaits. Lying, catch me, I'm falling down. Take me to a higher ground. Lying, catch me, I'm falling down. Take me to a higher ground. Before I fall, you grab my hand and fly me over to a new land, hoping that I'll have a rebirth. Only you seem to know what my life is worth, but your saving comes to no avail, because my misties, they never fail. I drive you away unwillingly, never again to touch or to see. Lying, catch me, I'm falling down. Take me to a higher ground. Lying, catch me, I'm falling down. Take me to a higher ground.
Alright, so here it is, and hopefully I will have been hiding it very well for you. This is going to be a Valentine for my lovely wife, Kristen, known as Kane82 as her gamer tag has it. So I think it's cute. I hope you love it, Kristen. If not, I'll get you something else. But no, so there you go. We got a fun little Jason Valentine mask. So once again, if you liked what you saw, like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll be seeing you on another one. Matter of fact, I'm going to give you a clue for the next one. Already got it, getting ready to start. And here's your clue.